Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Sabudana vada. So Sabudana is very good for health and it is also a coolant agent. So as it is summer time, this is a perfect recipe for the summer, a tea time snack. So come on, let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken 1 cup of sabudana and I have soaked it in water for 1.5 hours and I have drained the excess water and I have kept it aside for 30 minutes. So for this recipe, we need the exact consistency of the sabudana. If you are going to over soak the sabudana, it will become mushy. So I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. To this, I'm adding 1 medium sized potato which I have boiled and mashed. And along with this, I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered roasted peanut. To this, I'm adding 1 finely chopped onion, 1 green chilli. You can adjust this according to your spice level. 1 inch of ginger which I have grated. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of chilli powder. And salt as per your taste. And mix all the ingredients well and form it as a dough. The dough should be very thick. Ensure it is not very thin. And I'm taking oil to deep fry. I'm using sesame oil. You can also use refined sunflower oil. And I'm going to apply a little oil on both my hands so that the dough will not stick to my hand. Now I'm going to take the required amount of dough, pat it and then deep fry it. Cook them on medium flame for around 5 or 6 minutes. Our crispy sabudana vada will be ready. Do not overcook them. They might get separated in the oil. Our crispy sabudana vada is now ready. So it's time to taste. I'm very sure that you can hear the noise, the crunchy noise. It's very crunchy outside and soft inside. So the potatoes that we have added gives the samosa filling taste, and also all the spices that we have added are well balanced. So this is a must try recipe. Definitely kids will enjoy this. So we usually make dal vada and urad dal vada and those kind of regular recipes. So this is a different vada recipe. So please try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.